Okay, this video is about Avogadro's law. So Avogadro's law, Avogadro, has to do with the relationship between volume and the quantity of gas, which we measure in our favorite, moles. So, how are they related? Well, it is a direct relationship because if you increase the number of moles that are present, you will also increase the volume of the gas. So it is a direct relationship. V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. So in order to solve this problem, we need to look at what we've got. So it's talking about NH3, ammonia. There is originally 450 kiloliters of gas, so that is our volume 1, and 358 grams of gas. If the buyer only needs to purchase 225 kiloliters, volume 2, how many moles is the buyer receiving? Well, remember back, we know how to go from grams to moles. So that is the first thing we have to do because Avogadro's law has to do with moles. So we are going to take our grams and convert it to moles by dividing by the molar mass of NH3, which is 17.031. When we do that, we get that we have 21 moles of NH3. And that is going to be our N1. We are solving for N2. So we plug it into the equation. 450 over 21 is equal to 225 over N2. Now you can rearrange the equation with your algebra. Remember, if we're solving for something, if it's at the bottom of a fraction, that's bad. Or you can just use your little butterfly, cross multiply and divide. So I'm going to cross multiply and then divide. So 21 times 225 divided by 450. 21 times 225 divided by 450. And that will give me my answer, which is going to be N2 is equal to 10.5 moles. The other thing about Avogadro was that he said, due to his hypothesis, that if there happens to be gases, for example, gases in a balloon, and each of those balloons are the same liters, and they're under the same conditions, as in same pressure, same temperature, then if their volume, pressure, and temperature are all equal, then in each balloon, no matter what type of gas it is, it has equal number of molecules. So that is Avogadro's hypothesis.